Hey everyone, Tom here from TechNexus and welcome to Thursday's video in our weekly series of Plant3D cats and specs. Now we've built up this part in Fusion and we want to use it inside of Plant3D as an object. So today is really going to be quite short and sweet because all I'm going to do is have a look at the exported options for this. Now, when you open your model in Fusion, you can right click on it and then say share public link. And then you get these boxes here. So I want to share the latest version and I want to be able to download it as well. So once we click those, downloaded, and then it gives me a URL, which I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to go to a web browser and paste it in there. Okay, now once I'm signed in, so we're just going to let that run through. Now we're on our web browser here, and you can see at the top right here that there's a whole bunch of download options. So if you wanted to edit this in Inventor, then we've got an Inventor option. We've got SAT, STEP, DWG, DXF, STL, FBX, SketchUp, or OBJs. So I'm just going to go DWG and type in my email address. And then what that is going to do is send me an email with a clickable link. So again, this also highlights that we can, bring this back into Inventor if we really wanted to have a bit more of a play with it. But we also do have other file formats. So, like I said earlier, this is going to be short and sweet. I'm not going to sit there and wait for the email. I'll do that outside of this video. But what we'll do tomorrow is, once I get that email, I'll download the DWG file and I'll show you what we need to do to bring that into a plant catalog and then subsequently into a spec. So like I said, short and sweet for today. Hopefully, again, this download option has given you a bit of insight into downloading different versions of that Fusion file, so you don't have to do it from Fusion itself, but you can even, like I said, export that out to Inventor. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get daily notifications of all of my videos. And I will see you tomorrow with the finished DWG file. We'll bring it into Plant, we'll bring it into a catalog, and then we will model some piping and flanges around it, and you can see how it looks. So thanks again, and I'll catch you tomorrow.